Welcome to the final step of our gazebo construction project. Today, we're tackling the roof. We begin by laying down the roof decking, providing us a solid foundation for the rest of the roof components. This step ensures a sturdy and level surface for the roofing materials. Next, we add the soffit and flashing to protect the underside of the roof and prevent water infiltration. We begin by laying down the shingles, following a pattern that not only enhances the aesthetics, but also ensures proper water runoff and drainage. While laying the shingles may seem daunting, thanks to the careful planning and preparation we put into this project, it was a straightforward process. I even watched a few tutorial videos to learn this step, which proved to be immensely helpful. To create the ridge and hip shingles, we employed a specific cutting technique that ensured a seamless and professional finish. This attention to detail ensures that our gazebo's roof not only looks great but also functions optimally. Finally, we applied roof caulk to hide the final exposed nails, providing an extra layer of protection against water penetration and adding a polished look to the roof. And with that, our gazebo construction project is complete. We're incredibly proud of the work we've done and the knowledge we've gained along the way. If you have any questions about the project or if you're embarking on a similar journey yourself, feel free to reach out. Thank you for following along with us as we turned our vision into reality one step at a time.